Hello, beautiful people. So, we're going to go through a walkthrough of assignment 3. And in this, I'm going to assume that some of you have not had experience with conditional formatting. So, let's go through. Okay, so the first thing I'm looking and reading as we go along on our assignment. So, create a table using insert table. So, that is kind of confusing because usually when we create a table, it kind of looks like this, right? That's a table that we created, but now we're going to use insert table. So, if we're using insert table, we take this information, and I'm actually going to create a second page here. So, hold on. I want to copy the page because I need this as my Excel example. So, I'm going to move or copy. I'm going to create a copy, and I want to create a copy. I'm just going to create it right next to my original here. Okay, so now we have it in front of it, and it's example number 2. So I am going to rename it video example for course. All right, so I'm going to create a table using insert table. So I'm going to create a table using insert table. So insert table. And yes, my table has headers, but if you'll notice up at the top, it's taking also my title that goes along with it, and I do not want that. So I'm going to change it here to go to column A, but row 2. So now we've got column A, row 2. Click OK, and we still have our title header that we created before. So you'll notice that I'm using my original, so I need to rename a couple things to make it look and have some continuity here. So I'll put counties, or I could put Middle Tennessee counties, but I think I already have that somewhere in a worksheet. You cannot name the same thing or the column the same twice, so I'm just going to put counties. Okay, and I want to do this. I'm going to merge and center it over the top. So let's go to merge and center. That looks great. Okay, so with all that said, let's start working on, this is telling me to create a video. So let's start working on our next steps. So we're going to add TN to each cell with a county name. For example, the Rutherford. So let's go through here. This is a little manual, right? Add TN, comma, space, TN. Let me pause this video too while we're going through.